Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driftwolf Gaming, and we just received a little package. We're gonna open it very gently, as you can see here, portrayed by my amazing knifing skills. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I can already see it. Let's just put away the knife, open it up, and get it out. Kaboom! I've been looking for this controller for at least a couple of weeks now, and a while back, before the game got released, I already saw the headset and the controller as well, but I didn't really know if I really wanted the controller. I mean, I thought it was really nice looking, but yeah, I'm playing on the PC, and I have this Xbox One controller. And, you know, it works fine. It's all right. But I really like the game a lot. So I thought, well, might as well just put in some extra money and, yeah, get the controller. I do see a little bit of a scuff here on the box. So I certainly hope it's not a used product. I do see that the line is a little bit weird here. It almost feels or looks like it has been opened and refurbished and or resealed, but you know, as long as it works. Oh boy, that's not the correct way to open it. Haha, you idiot. You know, oh, I do feel it. There's a grip here on the side, and it looks really cool, to be quite fair. Very clicky D-pad. Sticks feel very good. It's cool that we now have a dedicated scan button because it says scan, and here it says mode. Of course, it's not really dedicated. It's just how it is regarding the way that they set it up. The triggers do feel a lot better, as do these buttons. So yeah, that's really cool. It's really neat design. And of course, property of Constellation. And then the battery stuff. Now I also still have, we have batteries here. Now I also still have a headset. I have to see if that's gonna work. We got our little book inside here, which is not really, I don't think it's really necessary right now. We can leave that in. And then we have the For All Into the Starfield thing that says there on the box. So that's pretty cool. We have our Constellation patch over there. I don't think it's anything else. I don't think there's going to be anything in there, to be quite fair. I think it's just for the box. So yeah, that's really cool. This is, of course, the Starfield controller. So that's really nice. Yeah, can't wait to check it out and try it. It's, of course, very simple unboxing. There's not a lot to talk about and or use. So we're going to grab the charged batteries from the Xbox One controller. There we go. Get them out here. Probably going to be able to sell this controller now, or save it for my wife who wants to play a specific game with me. So this is going to be the minus. This is going to be the plus. There we go. I always do this, that you can see it. There we go. Turn that down. Now we have the dongle. We have a Xbox dongle. I don't think we need it for this one, but I'm going to put it into the PC anyway, and then turn it on with the nice little flashing light. Use the scan button, press it once or hold it. I have to hold it, and then press the other one. Oh yep, on the dongle, there we go. And now we should be ready to go. So that's very nice. There we go. I need to log into Windows and then see if we can maybe open up Starfield real quick. It says it's ready to go. And then we can change to the different screen, see if we can use it. But yeah, all in all, just a really cool controller. I really wanted this because I really like the design of it. Of course, the triggers that are see-through are a really cool design. I kind of wanted the headset as well, but the problem with the headset is apparently it's not great quality regarding the audio, especially when talking into it. So, oh, now all of a sudden it says it's building shaders. I've never seen that before. So let's go up with the camera. We have Starfield right there. It says building shaders. It's the first time I've seen that, and then I have to wait actually, because the last couple of times I could just go into the game, no problem. Alright. Continue. We're on 1 day and 7 hours and 53 minutes of playtime with Ellen Ripley. We are on Indom 2, level 20. So you just want to see how the controller works. If the controller works of course. Toy. Alright, oh, we're in the darkness. Oh, that's right, there's a Starborn ship here. That's really cool stuff, actually. I've been on there. I'm with Sarah right now. Yes. Controller works very well. Okay, so that's really nice. I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you remotely like this unboxing video that I just made and that you're watching right now. And please check out all my other vids, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. Have a great week. Have a great weekend. Peace.